Hello Steno candidates, I am Ravina. Welcome to your own YouTube channel Lotus Steno Legal Matters. I am going to dictate you Steno Legal Matters. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more dictations. So be ready for the dictation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Courts are expected to show great responsibility while trying an accused on charges of rape. They must deal with such cases with utmost sensitivity. The courts should examine the broader probabilities of a case and not get swayed by minor contradictions or insignificant discrepancies in the statement of the witnesses which are not of a fatal nature to throw out allegations of rape. This is all the more important because of lately crime against women in general and rape in particular is on the increase. It is an irony that while we are celebrating women's rights in all spheres, we show little or no concern for her honor. It is a sad reflection, and we must emphasize that the courts must deal with rape case in particular with utmost sensitivity and appreciate the evidence in totality of the background of the entire case and not in isolation. The Supreme Court has made the above observations in the judgment reported as State of Andhra Pradesh versus Gangula Satyamurthy J.T. 1996 within bracket 10 SC 550. Next para. Amit Kumar, the accused, has been charged seated by Police Station Nangloi, Delhi for the offence under sections 363/366/376/506 of the Indian Penal Code bracket start hereinafter referred to as the IPC bracket close on the allegations that on 13 February 2009 at Jat Chowk, Nangloi, Delhi within the jurisdiction of Police Station Nangloi, he kidnapped the prosecutrix minor at that time from the lawful guardianship of her parents and further committed rape upon her aforesaid place. Next para. After completion of the investigation, the charge sheet was filed before the Court of the Learned Metropolitan Magistrate on 23 August 2010 and after its committal and the case was assigned to the court-wide order dated 23 September 2010 of the Learned Sessions Judge, Delhi. Further, the case has been transferred and assigned to this court is that Additional Sessions Judge bracket start Special Fast Track Court bracket close 30 Hazari Courts, Delhi. After hearing arguments, charge for offence under sections 363, 328, 366, 376 and 506 of the IPC was framed against the accused on 10 November 2010. In order to prove its case, the prosecution has examined as many as 21 witnesses. In his statement under section 313 of the CRPC, the accused has controverted and rebutted the entire evidence against him, submitting that he is innocent and has been falsely implicated in this case. He has not committed any offence. As a matter of fact, the prosecutrix came to be introduced with him in the month of July 2008 through a common friend, Miss Nisha. Next para, next dictation. Thereafter, prosecutrix became friend of one Miss Kavita through her friend Miss Nisha and started visiting the house of Miss Kavita at Jat Chowk, Nangloi, where he was staying on rent in a room for preparation of his competitive exams. During such visits of prosecutrix at the house of Miss Kavita, they became more close and their friendship turned into a love affair, and they had exchanged their telephone mobile numbers and used to talk with each other. After falling in love with each other, they used to meet and roam to various places in Delhi. Thereafter, in June 2008, the prosecutrix had shown her willingness to marry with him, and since he was also willing to marry with her, they both started to take advice for the marriage from known persons, and they both were informed that they can get married in Arya Samaj Mandir, and during this course they came across Arya Samaj Mandir Nebi Cream to find the process of marriage, and there they met the priest Koma, who informed them that they both have to give affidavits of date of birth and of being major. Thereafter, they had to fill up separate prescribed applications giving their respective details, on which date of marriage would be given, on which day marriage would be performed. After coming across the above process of marriage, he and the prosecutrix got prepared their respective affidavits in June 2009 itself. It is only during the preparation of her affidavit by the prosecutrix he came across her exact year of birth is that 1991. Thereafter, he had to appear in certain competitive exams in the month of July and mid of August, they could not manage to visit Arya Samaj Mandir during this period and could visit only on 23 August 2009. Thereafter, they visited to Arya Samaj Mandir Nebi Cream on 23 September 2009, and they got married with each other, in the presence of three persons, out of whom one, Mr. Vinod, was his friend, and rest two were on Miss Babita and Miss Nisha, who were the friends of the prosecutrix. Thereafter, in November 2009, the family of the prosecutrix came to know their marriage and they started pressurizing for hushing up of the marriage, and even thereafter, some negotiations between his family and the family of prosecutrix had taken place, but due to his father being unable to fulfill their condition, the same failed, and finally he had been falsely implicated in this case. Accused has preferred to lead evidence in his defense. Over.